Imagine standing on the deck of a grand cruise ship, feeling the warm ocean breeze on your face, the horizon stretching endlessly before you. Today, cruise ships are floating cities, packed with luxury, entertainment, and adventure. But how did we get here? How did we go from steam-powered ocean liners to these massive vessels carrying thousands of passengers across the world? Join me as we dive into the fascinating history of the cruise industry, its humble beginnings, golden age, challenges, innovations, and the exciting future ahead. The roots of modern cruising trace back to the 19th century, when steam-powered ocean liners revolutionized long-distance travel. Before this, voyages across the Atlantic were grueling and often dangerous. Wooden sailing ships, reliant on the wind, made the journey unpredictable and lengthy. But then came the steam engine, a game-changer. The 1800s saw the rise of great shipping companies like Cunard Line, founded in 1839, and White Star Line, established in 1845. These companies introduced luxurious transatlantic voyages between Europe and America, catering to wealthy travelers who demanded elegance and comfort. Perhaps the most famous ocean liner of this era was Titanic, launched in 1912, a marvel of engineering and luxury. But its tragic fate also marked a turning point in maritime safety regulations.
Breaking news.
The Titanic disaster led to the establishment of international safety regulations, including lifeboat requirements and continuous radio watch, shaping the future of maritime travel. For decades, ocean liners dominated global travel, but their reign was threatened by the rise of commercial air travel in the mid-20th century. Suddenly, crossing the Atlantic took mere hours instead of days. The demand for ocean voyages plummeted. To survive, shipping companies had to reinvent themselves. Instead of being just a means of transportation, ships became destinations in themselves. Thus, the concept of modern cruising was born. One of the key pioneers of this transformation was Carnival Cruise Line, founded in 1972 by Ted Arison. Carnival introduced affordable, entertainment-focused cruises, making sea voyages accessible to the middle class. The Love Boat Effect. In 1977, the TV show The Love Boat debuted, portraying cruising as a glamorous and romantic getaway. This had an enormous impact on the industry, skyrocketing its popularity. As demand for cruises grew, so did the ships. The 1980s and 1990s saw the rise of megaships, with each new vessel breaking size records and introducing more extravagant features. In 1999, Royal Caribbean launched Voyager of the Seas, the first ship to feature a rock-climbing wall, an ice skating rink, and a shopping promenade. This was no longer just a ship, it was a floating resort. Cruise lines such as Royal Caribbean, Norwegian Cruise Line, and MSC Cruises competed to outdo each other, launching bigger and bolder ships every few years. By the 2000s, these ships had multiple restaurants and bars, luxury suites and family accommodations, and theaters, casinos, and nightclubs. It was an era of unprecedented growth. Then came 2020, the year that shook the cruise industry to its core. The COVID-19 pandemic forced global lockdowns, and cruise ships, once symbols of freedom and luxury, became floating quarantine zones. The industry lost billions of dollars, with many ships decommissioned and thousands of employees laid off. However, the cruise industry has always been resilient. By 2022, cruises made a strong comeback, with strict health measures, improved ventilation systems, and contactless services ensuring safer voyages. The cruise industry is booming like never before, and the biggest players in the market are racing to outdo each other with new, groundbreaking ships. Let's take a closer look at the 5 largest cruise lines: Carnival, Royal Caribbean, MSC Cruises, Norwegian Cruise Line, and Princess Cruises, and see what they have in store for the future. Carnival Cruise Line has built its reputation on being the most fun cruise brand on the planet. and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Their newest flagship, Carnival Jubilee, launched in 2023, brings high-energy entertainment, water slides, and the first-ever roller coaster at sea, Bolt, to the high seas. But Carnival isn't stopping there. They've got plans for another Excel-class ship on the horizon, and they continue expanding their fleet with upgrades to older ships, making cruising more exciting, affordable, and accessible. Carnival's fleet size as of 2025 is 27 ships. Popular destinations include the Caribbean, Mexico, and the Bahamas, with a growing presence in Europe and Alaska. Would you choose a Carnival ship for your next cruise? Let us know in the comments. When it comes to jaw-dropping innovation, nobody does it like Royal Caribbean. In 2024, they introduced Icon of the Seas, the largest cruise ship ever built, packed with 7 unique neighborhoods, the largest water park at sea, and even an infinity pool with stunning ocean views. But there's more. In 2025, Royal Caribbean is launching Star of the Seas, the next Icon-class ship, designed to push the boundaries of luxury, technology, and sustainability. And let's not forget Utopia of the Seas, an Oasis-class megaship also debuting in 2024, bringing even more entertainment and dining options. Royal Caribbean's fleet size as of 2025 is 28 ships. Popular destinations include the Caribbean, Mediterranean, and Alaska, with year-round cruises to Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Which Royal Caribbean ship is on your bucket list? Tell us in the comments below. MSC Cruises has been expanding rapidly, bringing European luxury to the global market. Their most exciting addition? MSC World America, launching in 2025. This LNG-powered giant will be one of the most environmentally friendly ships at sea, offering stunning oceanfront promenades, world-class dining, and futuristic entertainment. MSC isn't just about technology and sustainability, it's also about luxury. With the MSC Yacht Club, passengers can enjoy an exclusive ship-within-a-ship experience featuring private pools, butler service, and fine dining. MSC's fleet size as of 2025 is 23 ships. Popular destinations include the Mediterranean, Northern Europe, South America, and now MSC is expanding further into the Caribbean and North America. Have you ever sailed with MSC? Share your experience in the comments. Norwegian Cruise Line has always been about freedom. No fixed dining times, no strict dress codes, just vacationing your way. And now, they're taking things up a notch with Norwegian Aqua, set to debut in 2025. This ship will be the largest in the Prima class, offering an expanded outdoor promenade, infinity pools, and thrilling entertainment, including Broadway-style productions and high-tech virtual reality experiences. Norwegian's fleet size as of 2025 is 19 ships. Popular destinations include the Caribbean, Hawaii, Alaska, and Europe, with growing options for Asia and Australia. Would you prefer Norwegian's freestyle cruising, or do you like traditional cruising styles? Drop your thoughts below. Princess Cruises is known for luxury and relaxation, and they're raising the bar with Star Princess, set to sail in 2025. This next-generation Sphere-class ship will feature expansive glass views, world-class dining, and an immersive MedallionClass experience that personalizes every aspect of your cruise. From gourmet dining to serene retreats, Princess is all about creating an elegant and comfortable atmosphere, making it the perfect choice for travelers who want both adventure and relaxation. Princess's fleet size as of 2025 is 16 ships. Popular destinations include Alaska, the Mediterranean, the Caribbean, and world cruises covering exotic destinations. Is Princess Cruises the perfect blend of luxury and adventure? Let us know your thoughts. With sustainability, innovation, and luxury at the forefront, the cruise industry is entering a new golden age. Whether you're looking for non-stop thrills ultimate relaxation, or a blend of both, the biggest cruise lines are making sure there's a ship for you. Which of these upcoming ships excites you the most? Drop a comment below and tell us why. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of cruising, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more cruise news, updates, and behind-the-scenes looks at the biggest ships in the world. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.